Hey guys, so today we will be installing parking lights in my Himalayan. For that you will require a switch like this which will cost around 40 rupees and a screwdriver. So first you will need to remove the skin of the wire like this. So I'll be installing the switch on the left hand side so it will be easy for me to turn it on. So as you can see I have installed it on the left hand side of the mirror. So this is how you turn it on. So now you need to plug this wire in the indicator socket. So I'll be going to teach you how to do it. From here, you need to follow the where the wire goes. So as you can see, it will go from here directly under the tank. So this is that socket. So around 9 wires will be there. So in that here now you need to put those two wires in white and white with green lines, and one more is white with black lines. So in those two holes you need to plug the wires. So now I have put those two wires in the indicator socket. So now let's check. So you need to turn it on either left or right and turn the switch on. So now as you can see both the indicators are blinking together. So this is called parking light. I hope you enjoyed this video. So I please subscribe to my channel. So I'll be doing more modifications on this Himalayan, which you will be going to see in the upcoming days. So please subscribe and support.